Hello and welcome to day 2. Today I want us to have our materials to do linkages, and I want to show you how you actually set those up at home. To start off, I'm going to say Happy St. Patrick's Day. So I've got my materials. I have this foam pad, it's squishy, which I can use to pin things to. You could also use a cardboard box. You could use other corrugated sheets and you just stack up a bunch on top of each other like this, and you would now have enough material that you can just stick things into it. I have my thinner material, which I'm going to use for the linkages itself. This is just a box for my camera. It's almost like index cards or like a folder. It's cardstock. And then I've got my pins. Now these are thumbtacks. They're not the best one, but it's what I got, so I make it work. For this example, I have the first challenge problem that I've given you. I'm going to show you how this is constructed very quickly. So, I started off by cutting out this center piece. This is a fixed, oh, you can't see that. Can you see that? Yeah. This is a fixed pivot in the center piece. This is going to be attached to the board. To get these other pieces connected, I had to put thumbtacks on the back. So here's my fixed pivot. Here is a floating pivot. So I set that up. Once I have my fixed pivot and 2 floating pivots, which I'm going to be careful not to poke myself. Be careful not to poke yourself. Now what I need to do is set up guides, because when I pull, and I use my finger to help hold the fixed pivot, when I pull, it isn't exactly perfect. You see, this one rotates in a way I don't want. So I take another sheet of paper and 2 pins, and I'm going to pin the sheet of paper to the board, not the linkage. So now you can see I got the paper over this part of the linkage. So when I pull, it guides it straight up and straight down. You are going to use your collected materials to make one of the 3 challenge problems that I've put on Google Classroom. Email me if you have issues, and as always, video conferencing is available. Have a wonderful day.